Ibrahim, Assalamu alaikum, brother.
Alaikum salam.
How you doing, bro?
Good.
So, Ibrahim, give us an update. What's been happening with you, yeah?
Yeah, so I had my account was MC11, so I've been working with Marty on that. It
Mhm.
actually just got permanently restricted, but apparently there's ways to reverse that too. So I'm still working with him on that.
Right, true. Do you know what to do to go about that?
Yeah, he told me.
Okay. So yeah, go about that process, and then in your so what are you doing now then? Tell me what's your game plan.
Well, I was listing on Poshmark.
Okay.
Um, I actually got a couple sales already, but
Nice.
I'm not sure how I feel about it. Like how you need the fit. I don't know how I feel about how you need physical inventory.
It's a buffer for until you get your eBay back and running.
Okay.
Do you get what I mean? Like if
Yeah.
imagine like sitting down twiddling your thumbs and you have nothing else to do. Do you get what I
Yeah.
mean? So
Yeah.
run the Poshmark business, get it to like 1,500 a month profit, 2,000, and then so while you're making money, you can continue to get your eBay back in sorted. At this time, I would recommend you start a second eBay account.
Okay.
Do you get what I mean?
Yeah.
So keep listing on Poshmark so that way you can increase your income. And then secondly, go get another laptop, another IP, another phone, another SIM card, another bank account, and get an LLC and make another account, but put one of your friends or family as the primary contact.
Wow, that's a lot of stuff, bro.
And bro, if you want to make some serious money, you gotta play the game, yeah? Let me ask you this, bro. Would you rather do this or do you want to go get a job?
Yeah, I'd rather do this.
Right. So you pick your poison, right?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead.